Imagine your website as a car. You wouldn't drive it for years without a checkup, right? Just like your car needs regular maintenance, your website requires routine SEO audits. An SEO audit is a comprehensive analysis of your website's performance in search engine results pages, or SRPs. It's like a health checkup that identifies areas for improvement and helps you attract more organic traffic. SEO audits provide invaluable insights into your website's strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to make data-driven decisions for optimization. Think of an SEO audit as a roadmap to online visibility. By identifying technical issues, content gaps, and opportunities for improvement, SEO audits empower you to optimize your website for search engines and users alike. In today's digital landscape, where competition is fierce, SEO audits are no longer optional. By investing time and effort in regular SEO audits, you can ensure your website remains competitive, visible, and primed for success. Just like a car needs regular servicing, your website needs routine SEO audits to maintain and improve its search engine ranking. Think of an SEO audit as an annual checkup for your website, ensuring all parts are working together effectively. SEO audits are crucial for identifying technical issues that could be hindering your website's performance. Broken links, slow loading times, and mobile friendliness are just a few examples of technical factors that an SEO audit can uncover. Google and other search engines frequently update their algorithms, which can impact your website's ranking. Regular audits ensure your website adheres to the latest SEO best practices, keeping you ahead of the competition. By addressing technical issues, optimizing content, and improving user experience, you create a website that search engines love to rank and users love to visit. Now that you understand the importance of SEO audits, let's dive into a step-by-step guide to conducting one for your website. Step 1. Technical SEO audit. Check your robots.txt file and XML sitemap to ensure search engines can crawl and index your website correctly. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to analyze your website's loading speed. A slow website can frustrate users and negatively impact your ranking. In today's mobile-first world, ensuring your website is responsive and mobile-friendly is crucial. Test your website using Google's mobile-friendly test tool. Step 2. On-page SEO audit. Review your website's content to ensure it targets relevant keywords. Use keyword research tools to identify valuable keywords in your niche. Evaluate your content's quality, relevance, and freshness. Ensure it provides value to users and aligns with their search intent. Check your title tags and meta descriptions for each page, ensuring they are compelling and accurately reflect the page's content. Step 3. Off-page SEO audit. Assess the quantity and quality of backlinks pointing to your website. Use backlink analysis tools to identify any toxic or low-quality links that could harm your ranking. Evaluate your social media presence and engagement. Social signals can indirectly impact your SEO performance. This checklist provides a solid foundation for conducting a thorough SEO audit. Technical SEO often sounds intimidating, but it's simpler than you might think. It's about ensuring your website's foundation is strong enough to support your SEO efforts. Let's demystify 3 critical aspects: crawlability, site speed, and mobile friendliness. Crawlability refers to search engines' ability to access and index your website's pages. A well-structured website with clear navigation acts like well-organized shelves, making it easy for search engines to crawl and index your content. Site speed is crucial for user experience and SEO. A slow website can lead to higher bounce rates and lower rankings. Compressing images, optimizing code, and leveraging browser caching are some ways to improve site speed. Mobile friendliness is no longer optional in our mobile-first world. By addressing these technical SEO aspects, you create a solid foundation for your website to rank higher and attract more organic traffic. On-page SEO is all about optimizing your website's content to make it appealing to both search engines and users. Keyword optimization is crucial for on-page SEO. Identify relevant keywords that your target audience uses to search for information related to your website. Avoid keyword stuffing, which is like overusing salt in a dish. It ruins the taste. Instead, integrate keywords naturally within your content. Content quality trumps everything else. Create informative, engaging, and valuable content that caters to your audience's needs. Title tags and meta descriptions provide a concise preview of your page's content and entice users to click. By focusing on both, you create a win-win situation for your website. Off-page SEO might seem like a mysterious realm, but it's simpler than it sounds. It's about building your website's authority and reputation beyond your domain. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. When reputable websites link to yours, it signals to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. However, not all backlinks are created equal. Focus on earning high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites in your niche. Social media plays a crucial role in off-page SEO. Guest blogging on relevant websites in your industry is an effective way to reach a wider audience. Establish yourself as an authority and earn valuable backlinks. By consistently building high-quality backlinks, engaging on social media, and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche, you'll enhance your website's reputation and improve its search engine rankings. Conducting a comprehensive SEO audit can seem daunting, but thankfully, numerous tools can simplify the process and provide valuable insights. Here are a few essential tools to get you started. 1. Google Search Console. This free tool by Google provides invaluable data about your website's performance in search results. 2. Google Analytics. Another powerful free tool by Google Analytics provides in-depth insights into your website's traffic. 3. SEMrush. This comprehensive SEO toolkit offers a wide range of features, including keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink auditing, and more. 4. Ahrefs. Similar to SEMrush, Ahrefs is another powerful SEO toolkit that excels in backlink analysis. These tools are your allies in the SEO audit process, providing the data and insights you need to identify areas for improvement and track your progress over time. Use them wisely to streamline your SEO audit and enhance your website's performance. Gathering data is just the first step. The real magic happens when you analyze and interpret the findings of your SEO audit. This step is crucial for converting raw data into actionable insights that can fuel your website's growth. Think of your SEO audit data as puzzle pieces. Individually, they might not make much sense, but when you put them together, they reveal a clear picture of your website's strengths and weaknesses. Analyze each aspect of your audit: technical SEO, on-page optimization, and off-page factors, to understand where you stand. Look for patterns and correlations in your data. Identifying these connections can help you pinpoint the root cause of issues and prioritize your optimization efforts. Use filters, segments, and advanced features within your SEO tools to uncover hidden insights. The more you analyze your data, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about optimizing your website. After meticulously analyzing your SEO audit data, it's time to roll up your sleeves and implement the recommended changes. Prioritize your action items based on their potential impact and your resources. Start with the low-hanging fruit, easy-to-fix issues that can yield quick wins. For example, optimizing your title tags and meta descriptions is a relatively simple task that can significantly impact your click-through rates. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Document your changes and track your progress. This step is crucial for measuring the effectiveness of your efforts and identifying areas for further improvement. Use a spreadsheet or project management tool to keep track of your tasks, deadlines, and outcomes. Remember, implementing SEO recommendations is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires patience, persistence, and constant monitoring. SEO is not a destination, it's a journey. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, with search engine algorithms, user behavior, and competitive landscapes shifting regularly. Therefore, embracing ongoing SEO audits is crucial for maintaining a healthy and thriving website. Think of SEO audits as regular health checkups for your website. Regular SEO audits help you stay ahead of the curve. By identifying potential issues early on, you can address them before they escalate into significant problems that could negatively impact your website's performance. Embrace the iterative nature of SEO and integrate regular audits into your website maintenance routine. By doing so, you'll ensure your website remains competitive, visible, and primed for sustainable growth in the ever-changing digital landscape. In today's digitally driven world, your website is your virtual storefront, your online representative, and often the first point of contact for potential customers. It's an indispensable asset that deserves your attention and care, and regular SEO audits are the key to unlocking its full potential. By understanding the ins and outs of SEO audits, you empower yourself to take control of your website's destiny. You gain the knowledge and tools to identify areas for improvement, optimize your website's performance, and attract the right audience to your digital doorstep. Embrace the journey, stay informed about the ever-evolving SEO landscape, and never underestimate the power of regular SEO audits in shaping your website's success. Now that you're armed with the knowledge and tools to conduct your own SEO audit, it's time to take action. Dive in, explore your website's inner workings, and unlock its true potential.